Are you prepared for the cold weather? Are you prepared for Snowmageddon? Yeah, hope you are. Hey guys, Darren here. Welcome to Mayhem Preparedness. I want to just go over a couple of things. We are expected to get some very cold Arctic blasts through the southeastern United States. And that could cause a problem in some areas. As someone who is involved in preparedness, I am not as concerned because I have plans put in place. But sometimes people need to be reminded. So that's what we're going to do. We just go over a couple of little things, and hopefully this will make your Christmases warm and bright. Have you checked your generator? Just in case you run out of power, do you have a way to generate heat? Okay. Do you have another way to generate heat? Okay, so you've got a way to generate electricity, two ways to generate heat. Since you're generating this heat, more than likely it's going to be in your house. How about those smoke detectors? CO2 detectors, fire extinguishers. Something you ought to think about. What about your pets? They outside, gonna be kind of cold. Might want to think about making sure they have a place to get in and stay warm out of the weather, or bring them inside. Livestock, make sure they have access to water that's not frozen. They're out of the weather. That is, they're in like a 3-side run-in shelter, something like that. You can stack up square bales of hay or round bales if you needed to. That'd be better than nothing. Dogs and cats, yeah, you might want to do something and bring those guys inside. As far as our chickens, we make sure that they're closed in the coop at night now. If you are some of the people who are inclined to use a heat lamp inside your coop, make sure that it is zip tied and or chained twice, and the cord is out of the way, because strange things happen. And make sure that the water, that if this continues for 2 or 3 days, that you're able to go outside, bust that water, the ice off the top of the water, so they can have access to good, clean, fresh water. Chickens, they mainly need to be kept out of drafts. I'm not terribly concerned about hours, as long as they are inside the coop. We do have some little chicks that we hatched out. They're about 10 days old now. We have a heat lamp out there chained to the wall and also zip tied. So I'm not terribly concerned about that. If it should get very cold, we have a isolation or a quarantine run down in the basement that we can put them in with hay, mama and the babies, so they should be taken care of. It's going to be kind of cool. Make sure that you are still hydrated, because you can dehydrate in cold weather just as easily as you can in warm weather. If your power does go out, once you secure your household, why don't you go check on your neighbors? Can't hurt, unless they're assholes. then it's up to you. Just be aware, be safe. If there's icy road conditions, if you're not used to driving on ice and snow, don't. I am from the deep south. If there's ice on the road, I ain't going nowhere. I ain't gonna do that. If there's snow on the road, still not going anywhere. Lay inside a good load of firewood. I have a guy delivering me 2 truckloads today because I'm actually out of town driving home now. And so after a good day in traveling, I'll be stacking up firewood, which is okay. I'm glad to do it because I got firewood. So just want you guys to think about this stuff. I'll be sending a lot more videos over here to the preparedness side, things that are related to preparedness. I won't be doing as much preparedness videos on the other channel, Mayhem Country Living. It will all be located here. Hit the like and subscribe button if you would. Share this. Don't forget to take a look at the other channel, Mayhem Country Living, and also our cooking channel, Let's Eat, all on YouTube. Take care, you people.